We just sprayed Poppy's hair.
Done yours as well, didn't we?
No.
Well, you did yours.
And there's glitter in the air.
Can you see it on the phone?
Oh my gosh, yeah, you can. You see them floating around every so often.
You shouldn't just looking at the dust that's on your phone.
No, you can literally see them.
Oh my gosh, I saw one. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. You see it more up here. Look. Quickly look.
Okay, yeah, now I see him. That's pretty cool.
So, Poppy's hair is mostly orange now.
Is it?
Yes, on that side.
Nice. Orange that side, basically nothing that side.
And then there's this streak that has blue, orange, red, and then gold.
And Elsie's hair is basically red and orange.
Mm.
Elsie hair, look at that, look at the awesomeness. And to the other side. Yeah, there's nothing really there. See, look at her shirt though, look at that shirt, it's awesome. It's so sparkly. Look at the sparkles!
Anyway,
I'm
we're going to
excited.
the fireworks scene. Yay.
Yeah.
If you want to see the rest of the fireworks, click the video now.
We're on a fairground ride!
Okay, maybe you should put your phone away.
We're not spinning.
I got £2 off someone.
Nice. I love it when everyone's screaming!
We're home from the fireworks.
Oh, toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Elsie got amused by it.
Waffles. Milk.
So what are you cooking your waffles? You need a spoon for the syrup.
Cup. Poppy.
Teabag!
Tea again.
Tea!
We're watching In Cup.
In cup!
And we're still in our pyjamas and it's like 1
Kettle!
o'clock. Kettle.
Oh no, it's like 25 to 2.
Okay. And this is what we're having for lunch.
How many do we need?
So, we are
In the
finally brushing our teeth.
For the morning.
It's probably like 3 o'clock.
Probably is.
We just had our chicken dippers in rolls or something. Poppy, what did we just watch?
Hansel and Gretel Witch Hunters!
Yay. And we watched In Car before that.
It was. I like In Car. It's a good film.
We had a massive feast
We did. It was awesome.
of sweets and stuff.
We're so healthy.